In this lesson, we're going to learn what compound nouns are. So I have a simple definition. A compound noun is a noun made from two or more words that work together as one person, one place, one thing, or one idea. So it's basically two words, sometimes it could be more than two words, that are combined into a single word that functions as one person, one place, one thing, or one idea. So some examples I have here are pretty good and it will help you understand what this means. So the first example is toothbrush. You can see in toothbrush we have two separate words, right? So we have tooth and brush, but we bring them together to form one word. So this would be considered a thing, right? So this is one thing, a toothbrush. It's compound because it's put together to be considered as one thing. And then we got school bus. Now you can have words that are separated, so they aren't together, like toothbrush. That's also considered a compound noun because we consider school bus as one thing. It's not two separate things, school and bus, right? And then we got mother-in-laws. So some of these can have hyphens in them. So we consider mother-in-law as one thing. So it's a compound noun, right? And then we got swimming pool. So even though these are separated words, swimming and pool, we look at it as one thing, right? So a swimming pool, right? So that's what a compound noun is. And then of course probably a popular one is ice cream. So we have ice and we have cream, but we consider it as one thing even though it's composed of two words, right? So that's what a compound noun is. It's composed of two or more words that work together as one person, one place, one thing, or one idea. All right, so I hope this is clear for you and now you finally understand what compound nouns are. Please like the video, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share with anyone that might need it.